Hey y'all, this is Lee. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. This is my first video in quite a while, but I'm really excited to be doing the Harry Potter Project Pan challenge. It is my first official pan I'm participating in, especially on YouTube, so let's see how this goes. I love the fact that it is so uniquely Harry Potter, like the prompts are very unique, but it's still relatively easy. As you can see, I don't have that many products, so it makes it really manageable, especially with everything going on. You just don't know when's the next time you're gonna wear makeup. And it does run from May 13th through December 13th with monthly updates, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first prompt is House Pride, and I selected the NOTO Multistick in the shade Ono Ono. As you can see, that's my initial line for progress. I've only used this 3 times. I've had this product for over a year, probably 2 years now. I want to finish it by the end of the year. We'll see. I think I could do it. But as you can see, it's this beautiful burnt orange, and um, obviously orange like Gryffindor, so that's actually my house pride. I do remember getting sorted on Pottermore for Gryffindor and just like that excitement of being a Gryffindor. But I also think Noto is kind of like that cool kid on the block type of brand that everybody wants to be with. It's not really on Sephora, but it's like cool on Fashion Row shows and stuff. So yeah. Next up is the second prompt, which is Peeves, and I have the Nars Luster Blush for this prompt. So it's something that you may have not liked or didn't really know how to use and then ended up loving. And this blush, a coworker actually gifted it to me. He was really sweet, and like for Christmas, he remembered that I wanted a blush and like went out to Sephora and bought me one. They're not cruelty free, however, as you can see, it's like really hard for it to show up on my finger, like on my skin. It's pretty like hardly pressed, but I have used it quite a lot. I've used it 5 times this month, and I just love kind of like putting it all over my cheeks and like the temples and just adding the like warmth and shimmery to my face. A lot of my blushes are matte, so we'll see if we could pan this by the end of the year. I've heard blushes are really hard to pan. Up, and there you go, it broke. So yeah, let's try to pan it. So the third prompt is Mrs. Weasley's Christmas sweaters, and it's a product that you just love using, you feel good using it, and you want to use it. And I absolutely adore my Becca under eye brightening concealer. It's in the shade medium to deep, and I've worn this literally 10 times this month on days that I don't even wear makeup, and I just like want to pull myself a little bit together. Even though I'm not seeing anybody, I'm in my house, I put this on, or I'm just going to the grocery store, I put this on. So pretty much the 10 times I've left the house this month, I've worn this. As you can see, there's a pretty big dip already, so I will definitely pan this before the end of the project, so I'll probably roll something in afterwards, but yeah, I love it. And the last prompt, drum roll please, is Extendable ears. And that's a product that you bought because of the hype or an influencer, and that has got to be Anastasia Prism. I bought it on Black Friday, I think 2 years ago, with the Modern Renaissance, or I want to say the Modern Renaissance, yeah. If you like the regular Anastasia Beverly Hills formula, you may not like the Prism, but that's exactly why I like the Prism. It's a little bit different from the other formulas. My goal is to pan Eden and Unity, and I have used Unity about 3 times, Eden 2. If I hit pan before the end of the project, I'll add in Lure. As you can see, I've used the shimmers quite a bit, but I struggle with the matte, so I definitely want to get the most use out of it this year. I also wanted to go ahead and just swatch these colors for you. I do feel like I created a pretty nice color story, like everyday color story for me, so that kind of worked out really well. I also feel like I'm being a little ambitious with 2 eyeshadow pans, a blush pan, and then using up completely like that cheek lip multi-stick. But it's a pretty long challenge, and you know, I think we got this. Or I just need to tell myself I got this. But yeah, look at these colors. I mean, that lure is so pretty. I feel like I'll get a lot of use of it in the fall and winter, and Eden and Unity in the summer months now if we eventually ever go out. Um, but yeah, really excited. So yeah, that is my intro to the Harry Potter project pan, and also my update one. I am again just really excited, and thank you so much, Christina, for creating this pan challenge. Can't wait to see the progress. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I leave this house and I could wear makeup. See you next time. Oh, and one more thing. Can't forget this. It wouldn't be a Harry Potter video if I didn't bring a little bit of magic into it. Wingardium Leviosa.